Member of the next round.
Yes, exactly.
Thank you so much. We have submitted an interview. I support all the work that you've been doing. So my name is Rahul Vanshdev. I'm known as the AI Kid of India. So I have my own company, and with that I've also built 10 plus AI tools. I've been taking sessions and training around like 150,000 students and plus companies around the world, internationally and nationally. So I've been trying to do all that, and I do this for events like this. And coming here is such a pleasure. Yeah. So yeah, even also with that, trying to do content creation. So I'm also a founder of a company. So with that, we do content creation with AI. So I get like very less views, like 1 million, 2 million views. So I mean, yeah, try to do everything.
So, my 10 years time, when I make the speech about the millionaires,
My aim is more around.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, I want enough money so I can buy anything and everything.
You met UN Chief today.
Yes.
Right? So, can you explain about the meeting and the purpose?
I just met him here and it was a very good experience. I just wanted to ask him, congratulate him what all he was doing. And yeah, I just wanted to say hi as you don't get the opportunity to meet people like those every day, right? So I'm very glad to meet him today.
So, how you got this opportunity?
So well, I'm known as the AI Kid of India. So I guess part of the reason is I'm speaking here. But I just met Sir, who is the head of the department of leading AI and sustainability. So they're the one who called me here. So he introduced me to them, and I'm very glad to be here talking to them. And I guess also it's because of my background, having all this company, building 10 plus AI tools. Even I think last month I was able to meet Shashi Tharoor sir. And so I've been trying to build tools and also teaching. So I've trained around 150,000 students and companies like HP, ICC Bank around the world. So I guess all of that, and also content creators. So yeah, trying to manage everything. Teach the basics about AI and also how to create your own ChatGPT or AI. From basics to the most advanced, I try to, do everything.
So, from where you have learnt all this in such a knowledge?
Thank you. So I've been learning about this online only from YouTube. Self-learned most of it, but my parents did guide me, kind of not what to learn. I did classical dance way before I became AI Kid of India and all. I did acting, I did everything, and finally I understood what I wanted to be, and that was being an entrepreneur, a content creator, and educator. I don't have one name, but trying to be this, you could say that.
When you was doing conversation with UN Chief, what does he said? What was all about conversation was all?
So I guess you could say he was congratulating me, and also sir was talking about maybe, meeting in the future, doing something like that before, right after this. So it was kind of more about, him seeing that there are kids out there that have this capability. And that's what I wanted to show. And also I think he understood I'm representing all not just the kids and teens out there, but rest all people who are interested in AI, right? So yeah, that was all the talk about as well.